How to make money online without investment. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up countless opportunities for individuals to make money online without the need for substantial financial investments. While it's essential to approach online income-generating opportunities with caution, there are legitimate ways to earn money without spending a dime. Online tutoring and teaching. Online tutoring and teaching provide a platform for individuals with expertise in specific subjects or skills to share their knowledge and earn money. The process involves connecting with students who are seeking assistance in areas you excel in. Many online platforms facilitate this connection, making it easier than ever to become an online tutor or educator. To get started, you'll want to identify your area of expertise and choose a suitable platform. For instance, VIP is an option for teaching English online, while platforms like Teachable and Coursera enable you to create and sell your courses on various subjects. After creating your courses or setting up your tutoring profile, you can start promoting your services to potential students. Online tutoring and teaching offer flexibility in terms of scheduling and often allow you to set your rates. Earnings can vary based on factors such as your qualifications, the demand for your subject, and your ability to deliver effective educational content. Virtual assistants. Becoming a virtual assistant involves providing administrative, organizational, or support services to businesses, entrepreneurs, or individuals remotely. It's essentially a freelance role where you offer your skills and services to help clients manage various tasks, from email and calendar management to data entry and customer support. To embark on a virtual assistance career, you'll want to define your services, create an online presence, such as a professional website or profiles on freelancing platforms, and network to find potential clients. The advantage of virtual assistants is the flexibility it offers in terms of choosing your clients and projects, allowing you to tailor your work to your skills and interests. Successful virtual assistants build a reputation for reliability, efficiency, and professionalism, which can lead to ongoing client relationships and a steady stream of income. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography and a collection of high-quality images, you can monetize your hobby by selling your photos on stock photography websites. These platforms serve as marketplaces where photographers can upload their images and buyers, including businesses, designers, and individuals, can purchase licenses to use those images in various projects. To succeed in stock photography, quality is paramount. Ensure that your photos meet the technical requirements of the platform, are well composed, and have high resolution. Effective keywording and descriptions help potential buyers discover your images among the vast collections available. Stock photography can provide a passive income stream as your portfolio grows and more customers purchase and download your images for use in marketing materials, websites, publications, and more. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that enables you to sell physical products to customers without holding inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping processes on your behalf. Begin by choosing a niche or market segment that aligns with your interests or market demand. Create an online store using e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Customize it to showcase the products you intend to sell. Find dropshipping suppliers who offer the products you want to sell. Popular platforms like AliExpress provide access to a wide range of products and suppliers. Import products from your chosen suppliers to your online store and set your own prices. Writing ebooks. If you possess expertise in a specific subject, are a skilled writer, or have a captivating story to tell, consider writing and self-publishing ebooks. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is a popular platform that enables authors to publish and sell the books to a global audience. The process involves creating engaging and valuable content in the form of ebooks, designing attractive covers, and listing them on platforms like Amazon. You set your own pricing, and for each sale, you earn royalties. Effective marketing and promotion, including leveraging social media, author websites, and online communities, can help boost your book sales. Online challenges and contests. Online challenges and contests offer opportunities to showcase your skills and potentially earn cash rewards or prizes. These contests can span various domains, including photography, writing, design, and gaming. Winning or excelling in such challenges often involves creativity, talent, and a competitive spirit. Platforms and communities frequently host these challenges. For example, photography enthusiasts might participate in themed photography contests, while writers might enter short story competitions. Gaming tournaments, both casual and professional, often offer substantial cash prizes for skilled players. Online surveys and market research. Engaging in online surveys and market research is a method that allows you to participate in studies conducted by companies and research firms. These organizations seek consumer opinions and feedback on various aspects of their products, services, or advertising campaigns. By sharing your insights through surveys, questionnaires, or product testing, you can contribute to the decision-making process of businesses. In return, you typically receive compensation in the form of cash, gift cards, or other rewards. To get started with online surveys, you'll need to register on legitimate survey websites or market research panels. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an intricate digital marketing strategy where you act as a partner or affiliate for companies and businesses. Your role is to promote their products or services to your online audience through unique affiliate links or banners. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase or completes a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is an attractive option for those with an online presence, whether it's a blog, website, social media following, or email list. It offers flexibility in terms of the products or services you choose to promote, making it adaptable to various niches and interests. Freelancing. Freelancing offers a vast and accessible opportunity for individuals to make money online without any initial investment. This method is particularly appealing because it allows you to leverage your skills and expertise in various fields to secure freelance work opportunities. Whether you have talents in writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, or virtual assistance, freelancing platforms provide a global marketplace where you can offer your services to clients. To get started with freelancing, the first step is to assess your skills and identify your niche. This self-assessment helps you determine what services you can offer potential clients. Once you've established your expertise, creating a professional portfolio is crucial. Content creation. Content creation has emerged as a powerful avenue for making money online without any upfront investment. Whether you're passionate about a particular niche or possess a unique talent for creating engaging content, platforms like blogs, YouTube, and podcasts provide opportunities for monetization. Starting a blog, for example, involves selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. You can create valuable and informative content that resonates with your target audience. To monetize your blog, you can incorporate advertising through Google AdSense, engage in affiliate marketing, offer sponsored content, or even sell digital products or services. These methods of making money online without initial investment offer diverse opportunities to individuals with varying skills, interests, and goals. While they may not guarantee instant wealth, they can serve as valuable income sources, especially when pursued with dedication, perseverance, and commitment to delivering quality and value to clients, customers, or audiences. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.